It's 23 minutes after 10 o'clock. Good morning. Welcome to Breakaway as we break away into Ask a Man. Somizi's here, the Naked DJ's here. We've got Anonymous on the line, and I hope you're ready to advise Anonymous. They've pulled out the courage many of us don't have, which is to ask a man. So let's make way and time for Anonymous. Here they are. Good morning, Anonymous.
Good morning, how are you?
Good, thanks in you.
I'm good and not good.
Okay. It's okay. That's why you called in, right? Let's try and sort that out. Papa, I'm going to read you the house rules and then we'll get straight into it, okay?
Okay.
Let's go. The house rules. Respect is the foundation of our conversation. Maintain respectful language. Refrain from any swearing or use of profanities. Our responsibility is to protect your identity, and your responsibility, Anonymous, is to kindly extend the same courtesy to protect the identity of the people or the person you'll be speaking about. Anonymous, do you agree?
Yes, I do agree.
Thank you very much. Let's go.
How are you, Somizi? How are you, Naked?
I will tell you at the end of the show. I'm not okay as well.
Oh, so easy, Anonymous.
Oh,
I'm so sad.
I'm even shaking.
You're shaking.
Yeah.
Which part of you shaking? I'm asking.
The heart, Shem.
There we go.
Don't shake it.
Yesterday, I just found out that I have a 16-year-old daughter
No.
that I didn't know about.
No, my brother.
So you can imagine how life has been for her without a father, all this. Yes. And now, because of I'm not a secretive person, I told my wife when I got home that I just found out that I have a daughter.
Your wife of how many years?
5.
Okay.
5 years. So when we met with my wife, she had only one son, and now we have our own baby again, who is 1 year, 6 months. Then again, I had 2 others, my firstborn and secondborn. Actually, let me say, my firstborn and thirdborn, because of that 16-year-old I found out about, is the secondborn.
Okay.
The 16-year-old is the second born.
Yeah,
Yeah,
remember,
the secondborn.
even though he didn't know when you in chronological order,
Yeah.
then it will mean that she's
Yes,
the
because
second.
of
So he's got an older child.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because with the daughter that I found out about yesterday, with her mother, we only met at. I was DJing. I was a DJ before.
So your
that
news,
thing of,
your news about your daughter are fresh.
Wow.
I
so
just found out about her yesterday, and she looks exactly like me and my first daughter. I don't even need to go for DNA test.
No.
But then what happens if the mom liked the same looking kind of guy?
Naked.
Actually,
Naked.
I don't know about but yesterday I did all my best to find the lady. Then I called her. Then she confirmed that it's your daughter. You saw that she looks exactly like you.
But then what do you mean you tried your best to find the lady? How did you find out that you have a daughter?
Like my friend told me early this year.
How?
You have a photocopy of yourself here, so you need to come and check.
So it's a friend of where you used to stay around 16 years ago.
Yes.
Okay. And how did that friend find out?
That friend said that daughter of mine, she always have growing up. He saw me, in her.
Okay,
that
so
we look the same. So
okay.
I needed. I when he told me, I went there, and then I went there several times, not finding her. So yesterday is where we did find her.
So you only confirmed it yesterday?
Yes, and the daughter did also confirm it to me, because I asked her, do you know who I am? She said, No, I said my name is Ben.
Yeah, it's fine. It's Mzangu.
No, he said Bean.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
sorry.
Okay,
Mr.
yeah.
Bean.
Yes, Mr. Bean.
Yeah,
He
yeah,
said
yeah,
Bean.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mr. Bean.
Yes.
So she said she knows that name from her mom.
Where's the mother?
Aw. Congratulations, my brother.
Aisha.
So
Where's the mother?
The mother, I never saw her, but we did communicate through WhatsApp.
When? Today?
Yesterday.
Yesterday. And the mother
Yes.
agreed.
Pardon?
The mother agreed that's your child.
Yes, because of I was only confirming it from her that is she saying the same thing.
But guys, hold on. Why is it a problem when I say congratulations?
No,
to
not
Anonymous?
yet,
Who
Naked.
said it's a problem?
No, Mina, I said it's a problem.
So easy.
Because
Oh.
there's a lot. It's still yesterday. And Anonymous is basing it on the physical, the facials, you know. And there's so much that still needs to be done.
Pella, so means imagine, 16 years missing out on your daughter's life.
Naked,
You know?
Naked, you can't say that. Look at you. We are from Zambia.
Oh, okay.
Yo.
So imagine
Again, Anonymous.
you look like Zambia's. You could be Zambia's father. You understand? So don't go there. Yeah. So Anonymous, when we come back,
Yes.
I want us to break it down as to what makes you so sure that this is your child, and how did the relationship happen, or the one night stand was the one night stand or was the relationship? So please think about that, ne? We'll be back.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you very much, Mr. Bean. We're coming back. It's 31 minutes after 10 o'clock. Anonymous, Mr. Bean did say, I'm going to cut a long story short, and shame he did. This is our summary. Anonymous has been married for 5 years in his current relationship with his current wife. They have one child together. He has another child he had many years ago. Now, only yesterday, very fresh, he found out that he has a 16-year-old daughter he didn't know about. He revealed this to his wife. This is where we are at now. Anonymous, we're on the same page, ne, Papa?
Yes, yeah.
Okay. So,
Okay. So I wanted to find out. So, did you have a relationship, or it was a one night stand?
It was few minutes night stand.
2 minutes.
2 minutes. Ooh,
Oh,
now.
Mara, Anonymous. Hi.
Yo. And your wife? What does your wife say?
Oh, my wife actually says that she doesn't want to do. She doesn't want to involve herself in this daughter of mine. She doesn't even want to see her. I must make sure that I see her there or by the street or wherever. And it came about when I said I don't want to keep this more than from when I found out about it. So I said, let me just tell her. So when I told her, I know it's a lot, but I did this when I was not with her. And she says that she even took off the ring, to make it short.
She took the ring
She took
off.
she took off the ring, and she said she's gonna move out. There's a lot. She doesn't want anything to do with the situation.
For now.
Anything. So I don't know if it's for now, but I know her. She's when she's angry, she's somehow. Because 1 December we were at home, and her younger sister wasn't like doing chores and all that stuff. So my grandmother and mom told me that talk to this lady, tell her that her sister is not doing anything. She's just eating, sleeping, not doing anything. She must do something. So when I told her, they made noise and left. for December holiday. They came back to. Can I mention the location? They came back to Gauteng.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
For the whole holidays, for December holidays. So I know her. When she says she's doing something, she does it. So I told her yesterday that I love you. I don't want to lose you. All I need is your support on this, because I can't just. I lost 16 years of my daughter's life, so I can't lose any more of her years. So I need to make up for that, even though it's impossible to make up for the 16 years, but I'm going to try all my best. So she told me that, no, that means with me and you, it's over. And in the morning when I took her to work, the ring is off. She even called my mother. Even now, she even called she took the phone, the numbers of that 16-year-old daughter of mine, mother's phone. She took those phones and called her. So she told me on WhatsApp with the first note that your wife is calling me.
Oh, wow. But, okay, listen. Obviously, she's angry, no? And you do understand. You do understand why. If she came to you tomorrow and she said, "Look, I never told you, but I have a 15-year-old somewhere. I had a baby young, and my parents said, let me go live my life, so we chose to raise it," you'd also be mad. But yes, it is a different situation. Now, you know your woman, and you know, as you said, you know how she gets when she's angry, right? But she's never left you before. You guys are still in your marriage.
Yes.
And, you know, this, should I even say instant baby? Because it's not even a baby anymore. But obviously these news, caught her a little bit offside. She is angry for now. So from here on, it's how you handle the situation. And it's a very sensitive issue. And remember, sometimes, yes, you are excited that you have a daughter, a 16-year-old daughter, and you want to be in this in your daughter's life.
Yes.
But be very sensitive. Okay, going forward.
Yes, I understand.
No, like, and it's so sad because I know a part of you is excited, but now you can't be too excited at home. Like in front of your wife, you know, because now she's going to think there was a relationship between you and this woman. Now she's already comparing herself to you and this one night stand that you had. You know,
because of even this morning, she said, like yellow bones, ne?
Yeah, I teacher in my yellow bones. Hey, but what kind of music do you play? Is soul? Or you used to play house?
I used to play house.
Yeah, Sianaz. Yeah, so just be very sensitive because she's not looking at it like you have a brand new woman. She is registering it like you cheated even though you did not cheat.
Okay.
For now, just you tread carefully, you tread slowly, you give her space. But we know that you love her. You would not have married her if you didn't love her. But give her space for her to digest everything and keep on working on that relationship. And you have to reassure her, Uguti, no, there was never anything here. And she could be mad because maybe has she ever caught you cheating?
No.
So you're good at cheating?
No, not that I'm good at cheating.
Oh, you never?
I don't cheat actually.
You don't cheat anymore. No, good.
Truly, I don't cheat.
Good. Yeah, bo? So just reassure her.
I caught her cheating.
Nee, when was this?
During our marriage, 3 different guys. Only saw on messages on WhatsApp and Facebook messengers. And I still don't have closure about it. I talked to her about it. Then she told me that no, it's nothing.
How many? 3?
3.
Yo, when a 0.
Then this other one, the last one, there was a day whereby the guy called and she put me with the guy on the phone.
Yeah?
Saying that they were friends. But then I find a message later on wishing that guy a happy birthday. That guy calling her, my love, you are not taking me serious and all that stuff. What.
We need you for a week.
Like
serious. We need him for a week. His stories can fill us the whole week. It is the child. It is the cheating of the wife suspecting that you cheated. It is your wife cheating with 3 different guys.
And yena, 0.
0.
And you have never taken that ring off.
Wow.
No, I never.
Imagine.
Oh, Anonymous. Now, I was about to say, I think your wife, one, is unreasonable. And that's what happens when cheaters find an opportunity to accuse you by a projector. You understand? Because
Yes.
you did nothing wrong here, Anonymous. You did not know.
I didn't know.
You did not know, Puti.
Yes.
No, your wife is unfair. Your wife is unfair, honestly, because why is she mad? You know what? She's mad. She wants to even the score. Yes.
It's already 3-0 score. But no, Anonymous's woman has 3. And Anonymous,
the wife can even the score in one day. She can even the score.
As in Amite.
No, she can say, yeah, you cheated, number 1. Yeah. And you slept without your condom, number 2. And 3, for 16 years, you've been, she's projecting. Why is she mad?
I agree with you.
Yes, why is she mad? She's projecting. She wants to make herself feel better. But Anonymous, don't worry, I'm here for you. I'm going to hold your hand.
Thank you.
Feels like a Soweto derby deja vu. Anonymous, we here, ne?
Yes, yes.
All right,
Anonymous, what team do you support? Soccer.
Bagania.
Okay.
Shapa.
So it's a revenge. It's a revenge. Okay. So Anonymous, your stories, man, are all over the place, to be quite honest.
Yes, I understand.
Yeah,
I know.
They're not making some sort of sense. Have you thought of doing a DNA test? Because sometimes you see what you want to see.
Wait, hold on, Sumis. Am I hearing you clearly? I'm saying a DNA test for the kids that he has with his wife.
No, for everybody.
For all the kids.
Everybody.
Okay.
It's a joyous celebration.
Ish,
Everybody. Magiwe Elindelani Clinic.
Yo.
And go DNA test for everyone for your peace sake. But hopefully you're going to be ready for the answers.
Okay.
Are you ready to do that?
Yes, I'm ready.
Yeah. So how many kids do you have with your current wife?
1, biologically.
Biological, and then you've got. And how many kids do you have in total?
I have.
That you know of.
No, I have 6 now.
Are you related to Mshefani?
Nice.
No, biologically I have 4.
You have 4?
Wait, Anonymous was confused.
Is that how many?
How many children do you have? How many children look at you and go, our father? How many children look at you and sing, our father?
4.
4. And then
Yes.
how many children look at you and go, hallowed?
Pardon?
How many children are not your biological? 2.
2.
Yes. So biological you've got 4. So in total you've got 6 sharp. That's good. But the 4, so 1 with the current wife. Right?
Yes.
And then you counting the latest arrival.
Yes, I'm counting.
So you've got 1 here. Let's call her Scoopus Vuli. Eyo. Khala waphakathi. You see volume. Okay. And then the other two?
The other two is with one lady, same lady.
Where is she? Naked umubango la.
She's still there, but we talk maybe when she needs something for the kids only.
But guys, Anonymous, now I'm actually scared, no?
Why?
Because Anonymous, like, you condom uqale ukuyisebenzisa nini?
Okay, why?
Like, what's your relationship like with condoms? Because we know that not all DJs, but some DJs, baya DJ, abadlali, you know. So when you were younger and when this one got pregnant, the 16-year-old, around that time, how many other women were you sleeping with without a condom?
That was only her.
Okay, and then the other ones you were using a condom?
No, I didn't. Like this one, it happened only once. I date one person at a time. I don't date. I don't go sleeping around. So,
okay, so you don't think there's other kids that could khumbule kai?
No, I don't think.
And you sure?
I'm definitely sure because
Okay.
I never. Everyone I've been with, I know.
Okay, yeah. So, Mizi, do you think he'll be able to convince his wife to come back? Should he get the wife to come back? The wife that has cheated on him 3 times, 3 different men. The same one who's now thrown her toys out the cot because she thought she was the only one allowed to cheat in this relationship. How?
The wife,
I mean, really.
The wife wanted a reason, an excuse to be grumpy.
Or to leave, ne?
Yeah, don't beg her Anonymous. You did nothing wrong here, to be honest. You did nothing wrong, Putwam. Ne?
Yes.
Don't beg her, Wena. Do what you need to do. As long as you know for sure this is your child, then moving forward, it's up to you what to do.
Even if that isn't your child, you need to leave her.
Who?
Like the wife.
The wife.
Like,
Why?
how many men? Because remember, he only caught her with 3 men.
Yes.
She could also have a lot of other men under her
Skeletons.
belt. You know? A lot of other skeletons. And when Somizi said she was just looking for a reason, like, guys, and when Kuto, you in a marriage, if something like this had to happen today, you wouldn't take your ring off now, all of a sudden, so hambile.
Never.
Exactly. So I'm with Somizi on this one. Anonymous, she was looking for a reason to leave. You've given her a reason to go. Magahambe.
And focus on the child.
Mm.
I'm naked. Focus on the child, but go to your DNA, please do. Because, and then you can now confidently count 6. Can imagine, let's say 5. And partially. Yeah?
Okay, yes, I do.
All right,
understand.
Papa. All right, Papa. All the best.
Usile lo mama yazi.
Yazi ukhohlakele.
Ukhohlakele Anonymous.
Uyathakatha.
Uyathakatha. Repeat after Somizi. Not you, Somizi. Anonymous, repeat after Somizi.
Usile lo mama.
Usile lo mama.
Unenhliziyo embi.
Unenhliziyo embi.
And then you look down, you said, nawe khuzeka.
Oh.
Look down at it and say, nawe khuzeka.
Nawe khuzeka.
All the best, Anonymous.
Okay, thank you guys.
All right.
Thank you, Anonymous. Continue listening to your radio. South Africa, let's advise Anonymous. What advice do you have for Anonymous? 086,000 2160. Your calls are coming through, many voice notes. Let's make some time for you. Let's start off with Zikana out in Cape Town. Zikana, good morning.
Good morning, Kuskus. How are you?
Good, and you, Mama?
I'm good, thanks. When we talk about double standards, this is the situation. Because the wife cheated not once, not twice, 3 times. One Anonymous, it's not like this child conceived while the child with the wife. Two girls, she was looking for a reason to leave. And unfortunately, Anonymous, Release Mtasekai. Release, you'll find another one. Yeah, there's no love anymore for girl.
Thank you.
But she didn't know how to leave you.
Yeah.
Oh, Zikon. She didn't know how to leave us. Zikon.
All right, let's go to your voice notes coming through 060-552-7303. Let's take a listen.
When they say Baushapileka Kazunga, Basho U Anonza, Kazunga straight. You don't need to be apologetic about finding out about your 16-year-old child. Just support your kids. Firstly, go and do a DNA test. And then after that, you can proceed with supporting your kids and loving them and play a role in their lives. As for wife, no, she was looking for a reason. So Mizi, she was looking for a reason to leave. Now she has found it. Now, because 16-year-old, how can you be mad for finding out a child of a 16-year-old? No ways.
Morning, Askaman team.
Morning.
Ooh, Anonza. Kuningi. I just wish you can be an author and write a book like Kuningi, but then go for a DNA test. And as well, I don't see why is your wife angry. Like it doesn't even make sense. I'm actually ring like, okay, but then why I keep ringing? Like why? But then anyway, you should leave her. Because there's no way that Daddy can repeat itself in your life, bruh. No way. So it's a revenge. Yeah, I hope Uwe Shapo do the DNA test. And then, yeah, it's magahambe, man. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi. Good morning, team. Gelo Nanzaba Tlautama. Anonymous Hawanele, that woman. She had a good reason to leave. Actually, she has long left that marriage by the actual fact. Anonymous Abutuaka, Kola Nese, Uzotolo Munye, life has to go on.
All right, let's leave it there, gentlemen. Let's close it up.
So, I had a terrible dream last night.
Sorry, Somizi, what was it about?
Tell us more.
I'm chilling by the ocean. And a guy approaches me.
Okay.
And he goes, how dare you tell my wife to leave me on Ask a Man? I'm like, Njani Puti. You gave my wife an advice to leave me. And then he whooped it out.
The what?
Yo! Show me enganganani. Yo! What? One kichimisa. Yo! Yo, then I woke up. Yo!
I can't believe
I've never seen anything like that in my life.